This is Corsair iCUE software for macOS. iCUE is a revolutionary interface that connects all of your macOS compatible Corsair products together. Control RGB lighting, design layered effects, and create complex productivity macros. You'll find it all in this beautiful, simple-to-use interface. Full RGB lighting will bring your Corsair peripherals to life. Synchronize lighting across your Corsair iCUE products with a single click via Instant Lighting. You can access Instant Lighting by clicking on the Instant Lighting tab on the top of the iCUE window. The Instant Lighting tray will then appear and give you basic colors to choose from, as well as the option to turn off all LEDs. Users can select from a list of stunning presets or create completely custom lighting effects with powerful customization tools. To set up device lighting, click on the tile for your device from the main iCUE window. Proceed to the Lighting Effects section and start adding layers by pressing the plus button. You can have as many layers as you want for lighting effects, but in most cases, 1 to 3 layers should be enough. Each layer can be customized using the drop-down menu, and depending on the device, assign specific zones, keys, and LEDs by clicking in the preview window. You can select multiple LEDs at the same time by clicking and dragging or holding down Control while clicking. This enables almost limitless lighting options for lighting up your peripherals. iCUE provides powerful macro support, allowing you to automate nearly any input that would otherwise require multiple key or button presses. To begin creating a macro, click on the tile for your keyboard or mouse and navigate to the Action tab. Add a new action by clicking the plus button. Let's create a macro that will run a sequence of events in Adobe Photoshop. This macro will trigger the auto tone, auto contrast, and auto color settings. You just need to hit the record button and start entering your inputs. Press Shift Command L, Alt Shift Command L, Shift Command B. Now press the stop record button and assign the macro to a key on the keyboard by pressing the G1 button. Now we've got a simple to use macro on the G1 key of our keyboard. And finally, iCUE features an advanced profile system that allows you to set up multiple unique profiles that will apply custom lighting and actions whenever you choose to. Corsair iCUE offers intelligent control with unlimited possibilities, and we've just scratched the surface of what iCUE is capable of. Learn more for yourself at Corsair.com.